In this video, we are going to find out if it is possible to transfer from Wise to Binance. And I came across this article from Buybitcoinbank. And we are going to go through this article, and I think we are going to get the answer for our question. So let's just scroll down here. Can you buy crypto with Wise? No, Wise does not currently offer any products or services that enable its customers to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with their online banking platform. This means that the investors will need to sign up with a regulated cryptocurrency exchange in their jurisdiction and transfer money from their Wise accounts. How to buy Bitcoin and crypto with Wise. The preferred method for Wise account users to buy and trade digital assets is through a credible platform in their area. This permits users to deposit local currency, EQ, US dollars, euro or Great Britain pound, to a crypto platform for transactions involving assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Our top recommendation for Wise users is Binance due to its global licensure, extensive availability and features allowing quick multi-currency deposits from Wise to trade over 350 cryptocurrencies with low fees. You can start investing in digital assets from your Wise account in 4 simple steps. So here it is. Sign up to Binance and complete the verification process. Select the Buy Crypto tab in the navigation menu. 3. Input the flat currency you want to deposit and the Wise Bank payment method you want to use to complete a transfer. Once your deposit is successful, find the asset you want to buy on the platform and execute your trade. So according to this article, it is possible to transfer from Wise to Binance. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.